How to use Google Pay on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Pay on iPhone. So as most of you have noticed that whenever you search in for Google Pay that is on iPhone, you will not be able to find this on its App Store. So in that case, what you need to do is just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Google Pay or pay.google.com. So you'll land on this page over here and just click on this Setup Google Pay from over here. And once you click on it, you basically have to provide your details such as your payment details. Whether you use credit card or debit card, you can just tap on this Add Payment Method. So from over here, basically simply enter all of your card number details as well as your billing address and click on Save. And just like that, once you transfer your data from your Android device to this section over here, you will be successfully able to pay using Google Pay on iPhone. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.